Please subscribe PARDHU Tech channel, like it and share it. Model Formative Assessment 2024-25. So for class 9th class, subject English, marks 20. Read the following passages and answer the questions given below. Who wrote in the diary? So answer is Maji. Second one, when was the diary entry made? Was answer 17th May 2157. Who mentioned stories printed on paper? Answer Margie's grandfather. Next question. What color were the pages? Answer yellow. Next. How are the pages described? Answer yellow and crinkly. Next. Read the following lines and answer the following questions. Because it was grassy and wanted wear, so as far that he passing there had for them really about the same, and both that morning equally lay on in leaves, no step had trodden black. Oh, I kept the first for another day. So questions are, how did the path appear? Answer, the paths appeared to have been worn really about the same. Next, second one, what had not been trodden black? Answer, leaves that no step had trodden black. Next one, read the following lines and answer the questions. Come, child, come, called his parents as he logged behind, fascinated by the toys in the shops that lined the way. He hurried towards his parents, his feet obedient to their call, his eyes still lingering on the receding toys. As he came to where they had stopped to wait for him, he could not suppress the desire of his heart, even though he well knew the world cold stare of refusal in their eyes. Questions, who called the child? Answer, his parents. Second one, who fascinated the child? That answer, the toys in the shop. Third one, what kind of stare did the parents have? Answer, the world cold stare. Next, vocabulary. Use the correct suffixes to the following words to get adjective forms. Comfort, comfortable, beautiful, helpful, useful, readable. Next, grammar. Complete the following conditional sentences. If I don't go to Anu's party tonight, dash, she will never speak to me. Next, if you don't telephone the hotel to order food, dash, you may miss the dinner. Next, unless you promise to write back, I dash will not write to you. If she does not play any games, dash, she will become lazy. Next, unless that little bird flies away quickly, the cat dash will eat it up. So next, fourth one, write a paragraph on electronic waste and environmental pollution. Electronic waste or e-waste refers to unwanted electronic devices such as smartphones, computers, televisions, and other gadgets. As technology rapidly advances, the turnover rate for these devices increases, leading to a flow in e-waste. Improper disposal of e-waste contributes significantly to environmental pollution. Many electronic devices contain hazardous materials like lead, mercury, and cadmium, which can harden the soil and water, causing severe environmental damage and health risk to humans and wildlife. Additionally, the burning of e-waste release toxic fumes into the air, further increasing pollution. Effective management of e-waste through recycling and proper disposal methods is crucial in modifying its harmful impact on the environment and promoting sustainability. So please subscribe for the channel, like it and share it. Thank you.